Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to notarize a power of attorney. First, understand that notarization adds a layer of legal validity, confirming the principal's identity and willingness to sign. You'll need the principal, the agent, and the notary. Gather the unsigned power of attorney document and valid identification for the principal before your appointment. This ensures a smooth and legally sound process. Before meeting the notary, ensure your power of attorney document is fully prepared but remains unsigned. The principal must bring a current, government-issued photo identification, like a driver's license or passport, to confirm their identity. It's also wise to confirm the notary public's active commission beforehand. This preparation prevents delays and ensures compliance with legal requirements. During the notarization, the notary public will verify the principal's identity using their identification. They will then witness the principal signing the power of attorney document. Depending on state law, an oath or affirmation might be administered. Finally, the notary will affix their official seal and signature, along with the date, to certify the document's authenticity. This crucial step makes the document legally binding. Once notarized, it's important to make several copies of the power of attorney for the principal, the agent, and any other relevant parties. Store the original document in a secure, yet easily accessible, location, such as a safe deposit box or fireproof safe. Understand the document's effective date and its duration, which could be for a specific period or indefinite, to ensure its proper use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.